Good morning students and welcome back to our standard 1 math class. Today I am going to discuss with you that is your same chapter, that is chapter 5 of your math book, and that is your topic name is what? Numbers from 10 to 20. In our previous class we have given the number name from 10 to 20. Okay, have you remember students? Okay, so that is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and is your 20, right? So, and also we have discussed that circle the bigger number, circle the biggest number, next circle the smaller number and circle the smallest number. Okay, so that one also we have discussed. So today I am going to discuss with you, that is your Olaf Multicarrier math magic book, that is your page number 84. Okay, so this is written what? Addition. So I know that in previous chapter you know what addition. Addition means joining. Addition means combining. Okay, addition means what? Joining, and addition means combining. Okay, so today we will discuss, that is, let us see, that one is 3 plus 4 we will do. That is, you see, if we put counter strike 3 and here is your 4. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one is your 7. Okay, if I will show you, here I am showing my 3 fingers, in left hand I am showing my 4 fingers. Now students, you count total. Total is how many? All together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am showing to you 7 fingers in my hand. Okay, so that one is your addition, means also all together or total, you can say that. Again I am doing, you see, 8 plus 4. Okay, and another trick also I told, always you see from the 2 number, here is your 8 and here is your 4 is given. So in that you see which is the smallest number. Yes, then 4 is the smallest number. So we put here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines I put, otherwise I am showing my 4 fingers, friends. Okay, so next is given here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Also you will count here 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will write that one is 12. Okay, next is your, okay, next we will do 9 plus 0. So you know students, when I told that one is, if you will add 0 with any number, the result will come the number itself. So that means this is your 9. Okay, then if I will write 5 plus 0. So now tell me students, what is the answer this one? Yes, answer is 5. And one thing I want to tell you, that is, listen, this is known as your sum. S-U-M, sum. Understood? This is known as your sum. Okay? Because the answer of the addition, you will know, that is answer of the addition. Answer of the addition is called what? Sum. S-U-M. Okay. So next is your another, and these two. Listen. If I write 7 plus 5. So tell me students. So from 7 and 5 we will see which is the smallest one. Yes, 5 is the smallest one. So we will put 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here is your 7. After 7 you count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you write now. That means 7 plus 5 makes what? 12. Okay, 7 plus 5 makes is your 12. Then students, what I say this one? This one is known as your sum. Okay, and this one is known as your addend. this is also known as your addend. Okay, that means two addend means when two addends mix with each other or join or combine, they form is your sum. Okay, they form is your sum. So now this one is our complete. Next we will see. Now you see students, look at your book and you see that is page number 84. Here is some addition is given. I know that you all are able to do 4 plus 5. Next is given 0 plus 3, 5 plus 2. Okay, so let us see what is given. 4 plus 5, 0 plus 3. Next is given what students? 5 plus 2. Okay, so how we will do? Let us see. Same thing. If in this also, if you just put here 4 lines, here is your 5 lines. Now this is 5 lines. Okay, now let us count how many altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, that one is your 9. Okay, otherwise you see here is a 0. What I told students, if we will add 0 with any number, the result will the number itself. That one is known as your 3. Okay, next students, 5 plus 2. Okay, so 5 plus 2 you have to see which is the smaller one. Yes, 2 is the smaller one. So you just put here 2 lines. Then after putting 2 lines, you count from, because already you put the line, you count from 5. That is 6 and 7. Okay, so now your work is you will do in your book. Okay, this is your row method, another is your vertical method, or that is known as your column method. I have discussed with you. Now we will discuss that is your word problem. Okay, word problems. Number 1 question. Let us see students, that one also given in your book. Okay. Rahul has 8 pencils. How many pencils? 8 pencils. Okay. Then Sonu has 7 pencils. Okay. So now next is given how many pencils do they have all together? How many pencils do they have all together? So students, always you remember, in case of a word problem, we have to see what is the trick is inside the problem. Okay, here is given students all together. That means when all together, listen students, this word will come. Next is your all, next is your total. If like this word you will see in the word problem, then you will do addition. Okay, then you will do addition. Now, so all together and is your all, that one is your total. Now you see, let us see our question. What is question given? Rahul has how many pencil? 8 pencil. You just put a line under that. That is your 8 pencil. Next you come, Sonu has how many pencil? Yes, that one is your 7 pencil. Now we will do students. Always you remember which number is given, you have to put underline first. When you will put underline, then you can easily do the answer. So now answer we will do students. That is your 8 pencils plus 7 pencils. Okay, then total we will find now. Tell me students. Now let us count. Here is a 7, here is a 8. So let me take out my 7 fingers. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So tell me students, how many? There are 15 pencils all together, that is Sonu and Rahul. Okay, Rahul has 8 pencils, Sonu has 7 pencils. So all together means we will do addition. That means 8 plus 7 equal to how much? 15 pencil. Okay, so we will write, so they have 15 pencils all together. Complete? Now clear? Okay. Now next we will move to our next word problem. Let us see. I am just writing the question. It will be easy for you. Now see. Farida plucked 4 apples. Okay. Next, Sita plucked 6 apples. Sita plucked. Plucked means when you will take out the apples from the tree, 6 apples. Okay. Now, both put them together. Both put them together. How many apples are there now? Okay, how many apples are there now? Okay, so now my question is complete. Let us go to find out which word is inside the word problem. Okay, so you see, Farida plucked 4 apples, Sita plucked 6 apples, both put them together. You see, this one is known as your together. Together means we will do here addition. Understood? Now you got the trick. Now next you see, this is your 4 apples, this one is your 6 apples. Then who plucked is your 4 apples? Farida plucked is your 4 apples. Where is your Sita plucked how many apples? 6 apples. Now let us do, students. Answer you write. Then you write 4 apples. Okay, next is your 6 apples. Total we will find now. Okay, 4 plus 6. Okay, so now you see, your fingers you take out. Some I told from 6 and 4. See, 4 is the smallest one. So that's why 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we will write here how many? 10 apples. Okay, so question is written, how many apples are there now? So we'll write, so there are 10 apples now. Okay, how many apples? There are 10 apples now. So I have discussed with you the word problems which one is given in your book, right? Next this is our complete. Next we will do now our over this one. Another thing I have not told you, see, that one is 12 plus 7. Okay, so you just put line in between them, because here is your ones place and here is a double digit number and also with a single digit number. So now we will do, you see, this is your ones place, this is your tens place. Okay, so now you will do, you see, here is a 7, here is a 2. I put it the smallest. Now 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this one is your 1. Because nothing is there. So 1 will come to down. That is your 19. Okay, next is your 14 plus 0. So here also, student, you just put line and mention this is your 2, T-O, 2, tens, and this is your ones. Then 4 plus 0 is how much? 4, and this one is your 1. That is known as your 14. Okay. Now this is our complete by doing this one. And another word problem I am telling to you students. See, Raghu has 7 marbles. Raghu has 7 marbles. Then his father gave him 5 marbles more. Okay, 5 marbles more. Then how many marbles all together with Raghu? Okay, so now you students, you see, next is this is your what I say, Raghu has how many marbles? Always I used to say, this is your all together, that means you will do addition. Another question here, this is your more means you will do also addition, right? So that means now you see, first Raghu has how many marbles students? 7 marbles. Then his father given him how many marbles more? That one is your 5 marbles. So now we will do, you see, that is 7 marbles plus 5 marbles. So that one is how many? 7 plus 5 is 12 marbles. So now Raghu has, right? So Raghu has 12 marbles all together. Okay, so now students, I have discussed with you today addition and is your word problems. Okay, and you will practice at your home. That one is your word problems at your home. Okay, so for today only this much. In my next class we will do subtraction and also with word problems. Okay, bye bye.